again, baby.
Okay. Yuck. I got you.
Thanks for missing it this time.
What did it say? That's too yucky in my head.
Why don't you pet the bunnies?
Okay. Wow.
Don't chase them, Josh. Remember, sit down and let them come to you, honey.
Oh.
Pet the white one and the black one. They're still right there.
That's one. Let me have one. That's yours, Lola. That's your bunny.
Lula.
That's mine. That's mine.
Okay, pet them. There you go.
Hey, careful with this one. And Rabbit, eat that one.
Thanks for smacking me in the face.
Whee!
Josh,
Are you in an
What are you doing, silly? That's for the rabbits, honey.
Ow, don't do that. No. No, be nice.
Josh, don't chase them, honey.
I love you.
Hello, a tiffin. Hey, you're gonna climb this. Whoa.
Get down.
Hey.